Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to find the system, which is right here. Then tap on backup. And here we've got our whole Google backup section, and as you can see, our device will immediately guide us to this section where we can sign in, so add our Google account or create it. So simply tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Of course, be patient, as you can see. Okay, here we can enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And now we can finally decide what kind of data we would like to backup. So photos and videos or other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, etc. You can mark both, or you can simply choose one, and I will pick only other device data and tap on confirm after marking. And as you can see, right now everything is in green, which means that we just successfully added our Google account. I just wanted to also mention that if your device will not automatically draw you to this section where you can immediately add the Google account, all you will have to do is to tap on this gray button. It will be gray now. Obviously it is green, but it will be gray. So simply tap on it and then you will be able to add your account. If you wish, you can simply tap on other device data. I mean the part which you are which you wish to backup. And after tapping on it, you can check some further details, like for example the space which you've got still available on your account. You can clean it, so you can get rid of some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So let's go back, and to finish everything you have to simply tap on backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.